What if I told you that you could run an online business without ever touching a product? No inventory, no warehouse, no shipping. You just need to set up your online store and run ad and you will get sales. That's exactly how Shopify dropshipping works. And in this video, I will break it down in the simplest way possible. By the end of this video, you will know how dropshipping works step by step and you should run this business or not. First thing first, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model where you sell product online without keeping the stock. Instead of buying product upfront, you only purchase them after a customer places the order. So you are basically acting as a middleman between the customer and the vendor, and you keep the profit. So you know about the dropshipping, but the question is why Shopify comes in. Okay, let me clear. Shopify actually a software that will help you to set up your dropshipping store. That means if you want to run your dropshipping store, then you need a website, and Shopify is a platform where you can launch your store even you don't have any experience. This is very user friendly and beginner friendly platform where you can manage your dropshipping store within a second. And I will give a link on this video description. If you use my link and open your store, you can get the free trial $1 per month first 3 months. That is quite helpful. Okay, now how you can start your first dropshipping business. Basically, if you want to run your dropshipping business, you need to follow 5 simplest way. Number 1 step is you need to find the product. Second step, you need to list your product to your online store, for example Shopify. Step 3, customer will place an order to your store. Number 4, you need to place the order to your supplier. And number 5, you have to fulfill that order and keep the profit. This is very easy to start business, and you have to understand why people love this business. Okay, this business is very popular because you don't need to keep the it's low cost startup. You don't handle shipping. You can test product fast. So that's mean you can run your global business with your laptop in a day. Now probably you are thinking you will be a millionaire in a month. But wait. To be honest with you, dropshipping isn't easy, that I already discussed. That's the process I discussed. Now I just want to tell you my honest opinion about the dropshipping business. So this is actually not get rich quickly business. You need to pick up the good product and then test it. Otherwise you will lose your money on Facebook ads or any kind of other ad platform that you will pick for getting the visitor. And 90% of beginners will fail because they will pick the wrong direction for starting this business and processing all the things. So that's why you have to learn it fast and then start. You have to try because too much competition are already playing on the market. Wait. Everything is possible if you try your best. That means it is possible for you that you will be successful in your dropshipping business. So who is the perfect person for this business? Actually, this business is for all. It's open to start, but you have to be dedicated on your business and you have to be deal like it's a real business, and you have to be consistent and you have to do hard work and practice every day. So never give up, try your best, and of course before starting this business, learn it and then try it. Don't worry, if you subscribe to my channel, I will publish every step by step video that how you can start your dropshipping business. So definitely you can subscribe to my channel. I believe that you will be benefited because I will give all my experience. It's without any cost, it's for free, so you don't need to spend any money by watching my video. So that's why you can subscribe to my channel, and in the next upcoming video I will always talk about the dropshipping, how you can actually start as a beginner. So that's all I wanted to tell you today, guys. See you on the next one. Till then, have a great day.